Good movement, hand fight, good hand fight, good hand fight. Get your wrist back, run, snap down. Get out of there, don't let it get no underhook. Wrist back, good. Hold your wrist, catch your wrist, hold your wrist. Good. Hey, head on the head. Up. Again. Touch and go. Yep. Up. Kick, control the hands. Elbow. Get elbow. Deep. Crack down. Keep that. Nothing. Keep working. Keep that. Face him. Look at him. Keep that. Nothing. Drive. Head up. Chase his head. Hey. You did that. You can do it again. Great. Make him work. Yep, take it. Up. Keep that. Knees right in. Double up. Hey, put your face. Up. Put your face. Head up. You settle there. Up. Put your stomach. Nothing yet. Up. Use your left hand approach. Head up. Hold. Just take that. Hold. Hey, keep that on. No near far left. Okay. Hey, pull that in. Keep that. Hold that up. Hey. Good job. Hey.
Oh no, he was definitely broke. He made me think.
Hey, you keep him down. You keep him down. On your toes, not your knees. Chop, follow. Watch your grab. Good. Hey, 2-on-1 that. Chop. Ankle. Chop. Outside chop. Ankle, drive. Lift that up high. Stay behind him. Behind the armpits. Other ankle. Deep waist chop. Deeper waist. Good. Chop. Drive on your toes. When you up his butt. Follow. Now return. It's all right. Hey, wrestle. Ball. Circle. Get your leg back. Look where we're at. Nothing. Now, up. Hey, work. Up. Tripod up. Tripod knee slide. Fight the hands. Tripod up. You're out. Hey, you need to get up right now. Let's go, baby. Turn him on. Turn him on. Turn him on. Under the leg. Elevate. Elevate. Hold. Turn him on. Hold. Settle. Turn him on. Drive. Hey, just turn him on. Let it go. Turn him on. On top. Hold. 2 on 1. Roll that up. Under the armpit. Cross face if you have to. Get on this side. Good. Great. Hey, half. Just settle. Half the right side. Half the right side. Hips in. Half. Look away.
Sink the half and run it.
No.
Sink the half and jump to the side.
Jump to the side now. Go. Left side. Come on. Settle back. What you should. Hey, under the leg. Keep your head. Stand up. Hey,
Take down. We need to take down. 20 seconds. Take down. Take down the ball. Two hands. Single leg. 2 hands.
One leg. Go to one leg.
Pick your leg.
Up. Good. Hey.